what type of skill sets are we giving to our students, that they are ready to incorporate that knowledge in the real world situations. Now this thing has becomes I would say it is something very important. And one thing which has really come up during this period, I would say, of COVID crisis, that earlier also it was there, that students have sort of taken responsibility of their learning. They are not that passive obedient students where they were simply passive recipients of knowledge. No, they have become very active. They have taken responsibility for their learning, and they move at their own pace. They have built their own habits, and they are pursuing skills which opens up doors to lead to their goals and to fulfill their dreams. So together with working upon their IQ and EQ, it is very important to work upon their adaptability pattern, that how easily they adapt themselves to any changing scenario. The way we all did, the students did, the teaching fraternity did, everyone, even in small towns, I belong to I would say a tier 2 city, or maybe 2.5, I call it as normally as 2.5. So here also, even in very small schools where there was problems of net connectivity, where their teachers were not aware of all those tools, those Zoom and Microsoft Teams and Google Hangouts, everything is, people have learned about so much about these online learning systems. I would say within 15 days from the way Revati said, from 15th of March till 30th of March, half of India became computer literate. We all became technocrats, and within this 1.5 months, we have simply leaped forward in our learning pace. So these things cannot be negated now. We cannot think of going back to that same old pattern when we go back to the school. And every educator, every person has to, and anyone who is dealing in administration has to think that what my current school ecosystem is like. Where do I want that ecosystem to go? What changes are required? How to go ahead with those changes? And who is to be given what responsibility? So that thinking has to change, that who is to be given what responsibility. We need to rethink in terms of our strategies, that where the school ecosystem is going, what I want for my school, and you cannot expect that same old system to go through. Thank you.